This is Anton from Drive Stick Shift coming to you with a stick shift tip. But I'm kind of kidding. It's not just a stick shift tip. This is going to be a tip for everyone. If you have two wheels, if you have four wheels on your car, whether it's automatic, manual, motorcycle, whatever it may be, this is going to be a tip for anyone who wants to be doing work on their car. If you want to be wrenching on your car, doing any kind of maintenance or repairs, it is likely that you're going to run into some difficulties. The most common one that we face is bolts and nuts that are rusted, corroded on, and just don't want to come out under any circumstance, it feels like. So you have a few options. If you do have a rusted in bolt, either you can hit it with heat, penetrating fluid. Most of us go for a breaker bar. Breaker bars are very easy to find, though they're starting to get a little bit expensive considering all the metal that goes into them. So I want to show you a little bit tip on how to make your own adjustable breaker bar right at your local tool store. I'm going to show you. Now, what is a breaker bar and why might you need one? Let's say that we're trying to take this bolt off, this 15 millimeter for the strut tower. I want to change out the shock underneath of it. And no matter how much power I apply, I just can't get it loose. So I need to generate more torque to get this nut off easier. How do we increase the torque? Very easy. Torque is distance times force. Now, let's say you can't increase your force because you only have so much power. You can easily increase the distance. If you get a bar on the end of that wrench and apply some force, you'll notice that it breaks free that nut very easily. So this is our breaker bar, also called a cheater bar. And I made an inexpensive one. I think this one was about like 15 bucks over at my local Home Depot. I got galvanized pipe, 3/4 with a coupling in between. This, I believe, is an 8-inch piece. This is a 4-inch piece. And all I do is if I need more leverage, I just add on another coupling and another piece. Usually I really haven't had to go beyond this. And also, being that it's segmented, gives a good place to hold and generate torque. Now, hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please like and share. We all know someone, an aspiring gearhead, who loves wrenching with their car and sometimes has difficulty with it. Now, if there are any other tips, tricks, rumors that you'd like to see addressed, please don't be shy. Leave a comment down below in the messages, and I'll see you next time.